Now the topic before us is linear equations, variables on both sides. Here we are talking about single variable. Solve the following equation and check your results. This question consists of two questions, or this question has two parts. First is solve the equation. It means that first of all we will have to find out the value of variable, that is in this case is x. First of all we will find out the value of x. Then the second part of this question is check your results. It means that in this equation we will fill the value of x which we have arrived at, so that we can check that whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. If both the sides are okay, then we can say that the answer which we have calculated about x is equal to is okay. Let us see how it happens. First we will write the same equation which has been given to us. Then we will take variable on one side, 2x. From here x will go to this side and it will become negative. Here 2 will remain as it is, and from here minus 3 will go to the other side. That is, the numbers which have variable are taken to one side and the numbers which are without variable are taken to the other side, that is the right hand side. 2 minus 2 plus 3, because it was negative, and when it comes to the right hand side it becomes positive. So 2x minus x is equal to 5. So this is the first part, that is following equation has been solved. Now we will check. What is to check? What is left hand side? We will fill the value of x. 2x minus 3 is equal to, what is the value of x? 2 into 5 minus 3. 2 into 5, 10, minus 3 is equal to 7. So left hand side, the value of left hand side is 7. So now we will calculate the value of right hand side after putting the value of x. What is the value of x? Here first we will write the right hand side, it is x plus 2. So we will fill in the value of x. 5 plus 2, it is 7. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Verified means equation is okay and the value of x which we had arrived at is also okay. Now the question of the same type, here it is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. As already told, we will take the variable on one side. So it will be taken on left hand side is equal to 18. 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x is equal to 18. So the value of x has been arrived at. That is, the first part has been solved. Then check your results. Check left hand side, LHS. Left hand side, what is the left hand side? It is 3x. So let us fill the value of x. 3 into 18, it becomes 54. Let us check the value of right hand side. 2x plus 18. 2x, x means 18 plus 18. So 36 plus 18, it becomes 54. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, the value of x which we had calculated is okay. Equation is okay. So hence verified. So now the next question, it is also of the same type. We will take the variables on one side. First of all, we will write the question as it is. So we will take this variable to this side, left hand side, 5x minus 3x, and we will take this number to the other side. This is positive number, and if when it is taken to other side, that is the right hand side, it becomes negative. 5x minus 3x, it becomes 2x. 5 minus 9, that is, it is the negative number, it is plus number. Minus 9 plus 5, it becomes minus 4. X is equal to minus 2. So now we will check our results. Check left hand side. Left hand side values are 5x plus 9. So we will fill the value of 5 into minus 2 plus 9. So minus 10 plus 9 is equal to minus 1. So now check the value of right hand side. What is the expression? The expression on right hand side is 5 plus 3x. 5, we will fill the value of x. 3 into value of x is minus 2. 5, 3 into minus 2, it becomes minus 6. So it is minus 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.